just got back from the food truck. Spaghetti and meatballs. And some apples and water. And we only got 2 because they said we're running low. What did that say?
Crap.
Yeah, crap. But it's food, so I can't complain. Yeah, they said we're running low, so we can only give you 2 per person. But yeah, so it's better than yesterday. At least they were nice. And we're home. There's Dre, the asshole of the house. Can't really see him because the light's out. Where's my girl? Here's my girl. Here's my sister. Say hi.
Kiss my ass.
That's her way of saying hi. They said, we're running low, so we can only give you 2 per person, but it's spaghetti.
That's nasty shit.
It's spaghetti and meatballs.
That's nasty shit, like I said.
Yeah, she don't really like spaghetti. But, yeah, I'm gonna head out of this and plop my ass down on my big, unmade bed and eat. I will see y'all later.